Planting eggplants in containers doesn't have to be hard. To start off, you need to choose the right variety. I like to go with the Shirko eggplant because it produces smaller fruit that can handle temperatures upwards of 100 degrees. For the container itself, I grow my eggplants in a 10-gallon grow bag. It gives the plant enough space to get giant, but it also has great drainage that helps with the flash floods we get here in Texas. When it's time to fill the bag, reach for any old generic organic potting mix. You can save a ton of money here, so just pick a cheap one with good reviews. After that, we need to give the potting mix some life, and that's where the compost comes in. Layer 2 inches of quality compost on top. Good compost brings your potting soil to life, which increases water retention and helps break down any fertilizers you add later. Once that's done, dig a hole twice the size of the plant. Add 2 tablespoons of a balanced fertilizer for a strong start, plus a 1/4 cup of worm castings for extra organic matter. Make sure to spread them around the edge of the hole so you can mix them in. If you clump all the fertilizer in one pocket, your plant could get root bound, which leads to stunted growth. From there, pop your plant out of its container and free the roots up a tad so it has a head start. Backfill around it with your soil mixture, add a tomato cage for vertical support, and water it in. And if you live in a hot climate, remember to throw 1 to 2 inches of mulch on top. This can do wonders for your eggplants and your water bill.